the Right Honorable Annet Among.
The Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Annet Anita Among, has today officiated the opening of the 5th African Organization of Public Accounts Committees Assembly, held under the theme Illicit Financial Flows and Fostering Public Financial Resilience. It is expected to run from today 17th, 21st March 2025. In her address, she challenged AFROPAC to work together in devising effective strategies to combat illicit financial flows manifesting in vices like corruption, human trafficking, among others, that are affecting the quality of service delivery and national development.
The compromise collection of revenues that are essential in financial development aspirations of our country and offering a satisfactory service delivery to the citizens of the country. I want to request the chairpersons of the AFROPAC Africa that please put your foot down and fight for this continent.
Speaker also urged the Assembly to play a central role in closing gaps that aid financial misconduct, emphasizing that sustainable economic growth depends on effective accountability.
And there is this kind of nugatory expenditure where somebody carelessly just spends money and causes financial loss. I don't see why, as a committee, you should even report that on the floor. Make these people refund this money.
AFROPAC, a continental body uniting public accounts committees, play a vital role in monitoring public expenditure and promoting financial discipline across African governments. The chair of the Assembly, Honorable Segona, stated that their intention is to implement the resolutions that were wrapped from the discussions.
By the time we conclude this conference, we should have actionable resolutions that will strengthen and enhance public financial oversight and equip our countries with tools needed to effectively combat illicit financial flows. As we engage in these discussions, Right Honourable Speaker and members, let us be bold in our ideas, determined in our debates, and resolute in our pursuit of financial resilience in Africa.
Segona further sought increased funding from member states to aid their cause.
But we need more funding because it begins and ends with us as a continent. Would appreciate in your network of speakers if you carried the ambassadorial role of inviting the parliaments of Africa to increase their funding towards AFROPAC.
The assembly that brings together financial oversight bodies from across the continent seeking ways to enhance accountability and transparency in public financial management is expected to produce policy recommendations intended to strengthen monetary oversight and curb economic crimes across Africa.